Welcome to this AWS Lambda hands-on tutorial. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of AWS Lambda, how it works, and will make a Lambda function. AWS Lambda is a powerful and flexible compute service that allows you to run your code without worrying about the infrastructure. It is serverless, which means you don't have to worry about scaling or provisioning servers. One of the best things about AWS Lambda is that you only pay for the compute time that your function uses. This makes it a cost-effective solution for many use cases. Now let's dive in and explore the world of AWS Lambda. To get started with AWS Lambda, you'll need to have an AWS account.
I've already logged in, so I don't need to log in again.
This is the dashboard of AWS. You can search Lambda in the search bar if it is not showing up in recents. Here you see all of your Lambda functions. Here, you will be able to create a new Lambda function. You can create a function from scratch or use one of the pre-built templates. Here you can give the name of your Lambda function. Let's call it my function. You'll need to choose a runtime, such as Node.js, Python, or Java. Lambda provides you with a whole bunch of different runtime options with various version options. You don't need to change any of these settings. This is Identity Access Management, that is, I am part. We will discuss about this in upcoming videos. For now, just understand that every Lambda function needs to have a role. You can keep this option checked to let Lambda automatically create a role for you with basic permissions, or you can create a role yourself and use it. You can leave these advanced settings untouched as well. These all are not required right now. Click on Create Function. Okay, here it is. Congratulations! You have just created your first Lambda function. Now let's have a look at this function's dashboard. Currently, there is no trigger for this Lambda function, but in the next video, we will connect it with API Gateway. You can add other triggers also, like an S3 upload or a CloudWatch event. We will talk about these later. Here, we have a basic Lambda function code. All it does is return a string, hello from Lambda. We will be writing code after we connect API Gateway with this Lambda function, so we can see whatever changes we make. In Monitor tab, you can view the logs here. This is handy while debugging. In Configuration tab, here the role is mentioned. This role was automatically created. Then, we have the General Configuration. Here you can see the timeout, memory of your function. You can even edit these. But keep in mind that you will be built accordingly. We don't have any triggers currently. Next is Permissions. Here, you have the list of permissions. We will talk about other tabs as we encounter them. AWS Lambda is great for running small, event-driven applications. You can use it for data processing, real-time stream processing, or as a backend for mobile applications. It's also helpful in running scheduled tasks, such as backing up your database. In the next video, we will learn about API Gateway and connect it with our Lambda function. Thanks for watching. More amazing content coming ahead. Like and subscribe.